Hey guys, welcome to Tactor's tutorial. In today's video, we'll learn about how to remove friends on Monopoly Go. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. So for you to be able to remove a friend on Monopoly Go, the first thing that you'll need to do is to log in onto the app. And once you're already onto the app, you should be able to see the game screen already. And here onto the bottom part, there are different things to choose from. You should be able to see friends onto that one. You'll just need to head onto the friends button in here. And right after you've clicked onto that, you could see the leaderboard and you'll just need to go to the friends section. So there should be some list of the friends in there, and just click onto the friend that you want to remove, and a red remove button will appear next to their name, and then you'll just need to proceed onto removing it. Follow the prompts and you should be able to completely remove or delete the friends onto your Monopoly Go. And that's just basically it onto removing friends on Monopoly Go. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you onto our next video.